Mind, Body, and Soul coming live. Sunday fun day. It's a leg day. So what we're gonna do today is take you through my top 5 leg exercises, me and my significant other, who I'm happy to be here with. We don't really get a lot of time to work out together. Our schedules are all over the place. So come along with us and let's get this working. So we just finished up a quick rollout session, getting the hamstrings and glutes free. Now we're gonna make our way over to some quick cardio. Love to get the legs warmed up before any leg activity, the knee joints moving. We're gonna go right into our big lift, which is squats. We're not going to pre-exhaust. We're gonna go right to our squats. We want to make sure all energy today is geared for squatting, and then we will go into auxiliaries after that. So let's go get this cardio in. The key with RDL is to realize this is a hamstring and glute dominant exercise. So I see so many people bending at the knees, almost like a basic deadlift, if you will. Again, this is a hamstring and glute dominant exercise. So just pay attention. I'm going to do it to the best of my abilities. I never claimed to be the best, but I was around some great people back in college, some great trainers that taught us how to do things the right way, do these movements the right way. So let's keep it going.
You have 24 hours. You have 24 hours. You have 24 hours. You have 24 hours.
Transitioned over to leg extension. I've never really been quad dominant, thus my quads are not existent at the moment, but if you stay with me on this journey, I guarantee you they will grow over the course of time. So we just went from the stationary lunge, dip, whatever you want to call it, right to leg extensions to close out the day. Mind, body, and soul.